Hi, Rich Nass with Embedded Computing Design. I'm here at Digi-Key with Randall Ressley. He is the Vice President of Applications Engineering, and you have one of these cool DevKits in your hand.
Yes.
And we're going to be doing a promotion with you guys around DevKits. Would you explain that?
Sure. So Digi-Key sells a tremendous number of development kits, and we're going to make available a certain number of these each month that people can win and design at their heart's content to utilize that chip.
And then at the end of the year, anybody who has one of these kits can enter into a challenge where they built something really cool, and we're going to award prizes based on those cool designs.
Right, so there'll be some grand prize based on what people have done with the development kits they've gotten as an award.
Fantastic.